What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see, over the weekend Bitcoin is still trading in a very parabolic segment right now. We are in price reconstruction mode, so the price of Bitcoin can be all over the place from time to time until further notice, until we see much more consolidation or we see a dip. But we have formed a little pattern on the top of this recent multi-day high that Bitcoin has reached. We have been trading steadily over the past few couple of days, including the weekend. We are currently trading at $78,678. So we were doing very well on the chart. As you can see, Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart is trading in this sort of like falling bull pattern. I would call it like a bull flag. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 2 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which has 3 touch points. So as seen with a couple videos before, I have put the question mark. I usually put the orange arrows and the green marker within the channel just to show you guys my prediction on what the price can do next. But since Bitcoin is kind of in this very parabolic phase right now, it's kind of hard to gauge what the price can do next. And as you can see on this particular chart pattern, Bitcoin has broken out of that top trend line. So we are currently in price reconstruction mode. We can do there's so many sorts of things we could do next in terms of pricing. We could go up, we could go down. That's why that question mark's intact. But I do want to show you guys the patterns just to give you guys a gist on what Bitcoin could or potentially not do. We do have a lot of economics going on in the macro world. Legislation is starting to become more noticeable with crypto. We're starting to see small increments of movement within that. Regulatory frameworks, things like that. And we're also seeing Middle Eastern conflict have kind of subdued just a little bit, still there, but we're starting to see a little progress in that regard. But I want to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys a much broader perspective on Bitcoin's trading activity. And as you can see on the 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is currently trading at $78,607. So we are relatively trading the same compared to the 1 hour chart. We have been trading this particular pattern for some time now on the 4 hour chart, this upward channel. This upward like channel, this usually means a more bullish aspect. So we have breaking out of that top trend line. So we have seen the bullish aspect in that regard. As you can see on the bottom trend line, we have 3 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which has 5. And again, I've also put that question mark there as opposed to the arrows and the green marker, just to give you guys my opinion that, you know, Bitcoin is still sort of in this weird reprice reconstruction phase. So it's kind of hard to give you an exact, not exactly exact, but more of a predictable outcome on what the price can do next. We could keep going parabolic. We could break down. We could move down even further, breaking both trend lines. But that is yet to be seen. Hopefully Bitcoin continues to go up. I am a very bullish person. None of this is financial advice, of course. Crypto and all of the markets, including things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc., are very volatile assets. Always proceed with caution when you buy these type of assets. Take everything, even what Crypto View says, with a grain of salt. Do your own research. Do your own view. But let me know your thoughts and opinions. Do you have any other indicators, tools, or any other things that you use for your technical analysis? Just let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.